In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom music to your project using CapCut. Whether you're looking to enhance your video with a particular soundtrack or simply want to match the mood of your footage with the perfect audio, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. Let's start by opening CapCut. If you haven't already done so, open the application and create a new project. Starting afresh gives us the flexibility to ensure everything fits together perfectly. Once your new project is set up, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. You'll see the media option sitting there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu you should select Import. This allows you to choose files from your computer that you would like to use in your project. Now take a moment to locate that perfect music file you have saved on your computer. Your intuition and personal choice play a big role here. So select something that aligns well with the theme or tone of your video. Once you've made your selection, import the music file into CapCut. After that, find the newly imported audio file in the media library, and it's time to move it onto the timeline. Once there, drag the audio file below your video clips on the timeline. It's important to position it here so that it syncs correctly with your visual content. Sometimes the audio may not start or end exactly where you want it to in the context of your video. This is where trimming comes into play. You can conveniently trim the music within the timeline to make sure it fits within the desired duration of your video. Play around with cutting snippets from the beginning or end until you're satisfied with how it aligns. Next, you'll want to ensure that the audio blends seamlessly with your project. And that's where adjusting the settings comes in. On the right-hand panel of your screen, you'll find options to adjust the volume. It's crucial not to let the music overpower the other elements of your video, especially if you have dialogue or other sound effects. You can fine-tune the volume until it complements rather than competes with the other elements. Lastly, consider adding fade effects to your music. This can create a smoother experience for viewers, as music transitions can sometimes be jarring without fading in and out. Carefully adding a fade effect at the start and end of your music track can provide a professional touch, making the transitions feel natural and engaging. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added custom music to your CapCut project. Play around with these options, and remember, the best edits come from experimenting and finding what works best for your unique vision. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!